Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I hope you're wearing your clothes inside out. I know it might feel a little bit weird, but it's so much fun. Also, it's a joke day, so I wanted to say some jokes that I wrote down on my phone. So, what do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? It's a dino snore. Get it? I know, so funny. All right, let's do another one. What is fast, loud, and crunchy? What is fast, loud, and crunchy? It's a rocket chip. Get it? Like a rocket and a chip. When you eat it, it's loud and crunchy. Oh, such great jokes. All right, guys, let's go on to our lesson. All right, so for our materials today, at the top, we're going to write Thursday, your name, and the date, which is 5/28/20. You're writing number 1 and number 2. Give yourself a little bit more space for number 1 because we're going to do a word problem. On the back, you're writing 3 and 4. And then on the last page, you're writing exit ticket. Okay, let's go on to number 1. So at the top, you're putting a box. You're writing answer with a blank line. Okay, so it says Rebecca loved to collect marbles. She collected 25 blue marbles, 36 red marbles, and 45 purple marbles. How many marbles did Rebecca collect all together? Write a number sentence to match. Okay, so this one's a little bit different because at the beginning of this problem, it's giving us information about Rebecca, that she loves to collect marbles. But that is not going to be part of us matching a number sentence. It's going to start here, okay? So she collected 25 blue, 36 red, and 45 purple. So if we're trying to figure out how many she has all together, what are we going to do with those 3 numbers? Add or subtract? We're going to add. So we're going to do 25 first, plus 36, plus 45, and that equals question mark. So we actually have 3 parts for this word problem. And what I want you to do is I actually want you to do 2 different types of strategies, okay? So I want you to put a line in the middle, and you're going to show your first strategy adding all 3 of these numbers together, okay? So do your first strategy, and if you're a little bit confused, you can wait and you can see what I do. And before you start, you should make sure that you label your parts and your total. And you know that your total is missing, so you have to add. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bigger number first. I'm going to do 45. I'm going to look at my tens for both of these numbers. So I have 2 tens here and 3 tens here. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I'm doing 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 5 ones here and 6 ones here. 6 plus 5 is 11. So I'm doing 11 ones. And actually, if I have 11 ones, I know that I can make the ones into a 10 stick. So I'll show you. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you put it in a row of 10 and you leave this one by itself. And we'll pretend like this is a 10 stick. So we'll box this and count it like a 10 stick when we're counting, okay? All right, so let's count up since we're adding. 45, tens are going up. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, and let's count this as a 10, so this would be 105, this whole thing. And then we count this as 106. Okay, so number sentence, 45 plus 25 plus 36 equals 106, which was our missing total. Okay. This is a really cool number sentence strategy that I wanted to show you. So I'm going to take away all of the tens. Okay, so I have 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens here. So 2 tens I know equals 20. 3 tens I know equals 30. 4 tens I know equals 40. Okay, then I'm going to draw my ones, matching that number. So I have 5 ones with the 20 here, I have 6 here, and I have 5 here. Okay, we're going to put the equal sign next to both, and we're going to solve this one first. So what's 30 plus 20? What's 30 plus 20? 30, 40, 50. Okay, 50. What's 50 plus 40? 50 plus 40. What's 50 plus 40? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Now let's add the ones together. Well, I see that 5 and 5 I can make a 10, so 5 and 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. And make sure you're writing this on your paper, okay? So now I have 90 and I have 16. I need to add those together, okay? So 90 plus 16. Well, in 16, I have 110 here, right? So if I add 110 to 90, I'm going to get 100. And then plus the 6 is 106. And we know that 106 is our answer because we solved it over here. And then you're going to represent your numbers right here. So this is the 25, this is the 36, and the 45, okay? So this is a cool strategy that I wanted to show you for this type of problem. If you feel like it's too hard for you, you don't have to use it. I would use the 10-stick strategy or the number line strategy, okay? All right, let's answer this in a complete sentence. How many marbles did Rebecca collect all together? So Rebecca collected 106 marbles all together. Okay? All right, let's go on to number 2. So number 2 at the top, you're writing 12 nickels. For number 2, you're writing 12 nickels. It says, I have 12 nickels and each nickel is worth 5 cents. How much money do I have? So you're going to take the time to solve this now. All right, so I have 12 nickels, so I'm drawing 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm drawing a capital N so that I know these coins are nickels. And I'm counting by 5s because they're worth 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So I have 60 cents. All right, it's time for our dance break. Okay, let's go on to question number 3. At the top, you're writing 303 with 4 blank lines. Then you're writing 505 with 4 blank lines. And 101 with 4 blank lines. You can pause the video now if you need extra time to write this. All right, so it says count down by ones for each. So you're counting down, and remember, we're getting really close to going down to the 100 that comes before this, okay? So keep that in mind as you're counting down. You can start doing this one first. Okay, so 303, 302, 301, 300. Remember, 0 turns to 99, and then the hundreds goes down. 299. Let's do this one now. Okay, 505, 504, 503, 502, 501. All right, do this last one. One 100, 99, 98, 97. Okay, let's go on to our last question. At the top, you're writing 12 next to Monday, 15 next to Tuesday, and 18 next to Wednesday. So again, you're doing 12 with Monday, 15 with Tuesday, and 18 with Wednesday. At the bottom, you're writing Thursday with the blank line and Friday with the blank line. All right, so the problem says Adrian did 12 jumping jacks on Monday, 15 on Tuesday, and 18 on Wednesday. How many jumping jacks will Adrian do on Thursday and Friday? Fill out the rest of the pattern. So this is a pattern problem. We've done a couple pattern problems where it wasn't a lot of words like this, but you can either use a number line strategy to figure out the rest, or you can do a strategy where you use circles, okay? So notice that the numbers are getting bigger, okay? So figure out what the pattern is so you can fill out Thursday and Friday. Okay, so I'm going to write the numbers here, 12, 15, and 18. Now I need to figure out what the pattern is. So I'm going to put 12 in my brain and see how many circles I need to get to 15. 13, 14, 15. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Looks like I'm counting up by threes. So now, since I know this is Wednesday, I'm going to know what comes for Thursday because I'm just going to add 3 to 18. So 18 with 3 circles, 19, 20, 21. So hopefully you got 21 as your answer. And now we put 21 in our brain so we can figure out Friday. 1, 2, 3, 22, 23, 24. Okay, let's go on to our exit ticket. Nice job, everyone. On the screen, I'm going to show you your exit ticket. If you need extra time, you can pause the video. All right, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Don't forget to wear your inside out shirt and to tell some jokes to your friends and family. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.